Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. So today I'll be sharing with you all the most requested diet plan, that is Thyroid Diet Plan for weight loss. But first, let us give a look at the key points of thyroid and how can you naturally cure thyroid with this diet plan, and the most important key features that you need to take care not only in this diet plan but for the rest of your life to get rid of thyroid very soon. If you take care of these key points in your diets, trust me, you will be able to lose weight and cure thyroid very easily at home naturally in no time. So let's get started with the key points. The first important point of all is go gluten free. Now it might sound a little difficult for us Indians as we have a habit of eating chapati, that is the whole wheat gehu chapati, which is made of lots of gluten and contains lots of amount of gluten in it. So there are lots of alternative to it as well. For example, you can have quinoa atta roti, you can have multigrain atta roti, which is gluten free atta. It is available in the markets very easily. Gluten free oats are available in the market, gluten free oats atta is available in the market, and whatnot. Like lots of things are gluten free available in the market which you can buy easily and use it in your diets and will definitely help you cure your thyroid very easily. If it is not available at your nearby places easily, I'll add some of my favorites and in the description box below you can buy them online from there very easily. The next key point is fall in love with fruits. All the people suffering from thyroid, please start falling in love with fruits, especially different kinds of berries. For example, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and whatnot. If you cannot have berries, you can have kiwi, you can have banana. Banana is very good for thyroid patients. Do not be afraid of having banana. It contains lots of vitamin minerals that are essential for your supplements. So banana is very good for you. Indulge fruit in your diets as much as you can. Have it as your mid-morning snack, have it in your breakfast, have it in different kinds of meals. Now the third most important is add selenium in your diet. Now what does selenium do? Selenium helps in recycling of iodine by the body. As you all know, iodine plays an important role in synthesis of the thyroid hormone, and hence selenium is very important to recycle the iodine present in the body. Now there are lots of natural sources of selenium, the major one being Brazil nuts. Now Brazil nuts are not easily available in the market and they are quite expensive as seen by the Indian market, but trust me when I say this, if you can take Brazil nuts in your diets, thyroid is nothing for you. It will be cured very soon as it contains lots of selenium and lots of good nutrients that can help you cure your thyroid, and you pretty much don't need any kind of different supplements if you're suffering from thyroid if you get Brazil nuts. Now if you can buy Brazil nuts, I'll link it down in the description box below. It is available online so you can buy it from there. It will be the best thing if you can buy Brazil nuts. And for people who cannot buy Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds is your option. Sunflower seeds can help you with lots of vitamins and minerals that can cure your thyroid as well. I've added Brazil nuts and sunflower seeds as well and pumpkin seeds as well in my diet plan, which you'll be seeing in just next 2-3 minutes. So do not forget to add these in your diets. Now next key important feature is avoid sugar and white table salt. Now sugar can be avoided easily as if you indulge fruits in your diets, they replace the craving sugar. You can get your sugar from fruits, but if you want to avoid the salt, you definitely need some amount of salt in your diet. You have to replace your normal salt with pink Himalayan salt. It is very easily available in the markets. You can buy it and it has lots of properties and goodness which will help you cure your thyroid and help you lose weight fast very easily. In Hindi it is also known as Sindha Namak, so start using it. Now one key point I like to add in this is that do not get depressed if you are suffering from thyroid. It is not something that cannot be cured or is very difficult to deal with. But if you start following a proper diet plan and live a healthy lifestyle, it can easily be cured, and do keep these key points in your mind when you are following a diet plan. So now let's get started with the diet plan. Start your day with ginger turmeric tea. It is very easy to prepare. All you have to do is in a boiling water, add some grated ginger, let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now in a cup, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and add 1/4 of black pepper powder as well. Now add the ginger water to it. Your ginger turmeric tea is prepared. Have it warm, empty stomach in the morning. Now after this, have your breakfast at around 9 am, for which you will have a fruit yogurt bowl with seeds, for which you will need low-fat yogurt or low-fat dahi, fruits like banana, strawberries, kiwi, pomegranate, anar seeds, or whatever is available to you. And the most important part of this breakfast is seeds. Now, as I told you, Brazil nuts are a very healthy option for all of those who are suffering from thyroid, as it will help you cure it very quickly. If you have Brazil nuts, very good, add it to this bowl. But if not, you can add sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and some chia seeds as well. Do not add any kind of sweetener to it or any kind of salt to it. It is not at all required because fruits itself contain lots of sugar in them. This bowl is fiber rich and contains lots of minerals in them, which will fulfill your nutrients requirement, and as well as contains lots of fiber, which will also help you stay fuller for a longer time after your breakfast. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack, which you can have at approximately 11 am, for which you will have green tea, or as you all know, if you do not like to have green tea, you can have any of these 3 tea options: peppermint tea, chamomile tea, or apple cinnamon tea of your own choice. To buy any of these, the link will be in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out, along with one fruit of your own choice. Now it's time for your lunch. Have your lunch at around 1 pm to 2 pm. Now, if you're suffering from hypothyroidism and you want to lose weight, start to develop your taste for quinoa. Nothing will benefit you as much as adding quinoa to your diet will. Now, our lunch contains quinoa as well. Now, why quinoa? Quinoa is completely gluten-free. It is rich in iron, magnesium, vitamins like B2 and vitamin E, and it is very low in fat. So for our lunch, we'll be having quinoa pulao. For 1 katori quinoa, add 2 katori of water to it and soak it overnight. Now boil it for 15 minutes on a low flame with covered lid and turn off the flame. Now after turning off the flame, keep it for 15 minutes in the pan itself and your quinoa is cooked. Now how to prepare the quinoa poha? Now you will need finely chopped onions, green chilies, chopped capsicum, pink Himalayan salt, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, fresh coriander, and that's it. Now prepare the quinoa poha as you would normally prepare by heating a pan and adding 1 teaspoon of oil in it. Best if you use coconut oil for it. Add the mustard seeds to it and let them pop. Then add the finely chopped onions, green chilies, and capsicum to it. Let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes. When finely sauteed, add all the spices to it along with pink Himalayan salt. Now add the cooked quinoa to it and mix it well. Add the freshly chopped coriander leaves to it and your quinoa poha is ready. It is so delicious and so filling that you will not at all feel hungry after having this, and it is definitely best for your taste buds. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack. You can have your mid-evening snack at approximately 5 pm, for which you will be having a handful of nuts. Nuts like 5 to 6 almonds and 2 walnuts, along with a cup of freshly brewed green tea or any tea of the following choices. Now it's time for your dinner. Have your dinner at approximately 7 pm to 8 pm, not later than that at all, for which you will be having regular poha. Now poha, also known as aval, is very easily available in the markets. It is completely gluten-free and does not contain any kind of fat in it, and it is very fuller as well. Prepare it in the normal way as we prepared the quinoa poha, but just replace your quinoa with the normal aval or flattened rice. Do not add a lot of salt to it because it will ultimately result in bloating, so add a little bit amount of pink Himalayan salt to it while cooking. Do not have your dinner later than 8 pm. Best if you have it at 7 pm or 7:30 pm. Now late night before going to bed, if you feel hungry at any point, have chamomile tea. It is the best stress reliever tea. It releases and reduces your stress levels to a great extent and promotes good sleep. This diet plan will definitely help you lose lots of weight and help you cure your thyroid very soon. And as I said, do try to add Brazil nuts and sunflower seeds in your diet, as they will help you with lots of nutrients, especially selenium, in your diet, and definitely it will cure your thyroid very quickly. To buy Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, gluten-free quinoa, chamomile tea or peppermint tea or apple cinnamon tea or any kind of these ingredients, it will be listed down in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And soon I'll be sharing with you all my another thyroid diet plan, that is part 2 of it. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more weight loss diet plans, and my all the other Indian weight loss diet plans will be listed down in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes or any diet plans. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post or upload on YouTube. Do not forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I upload and post daily on my Instagram stories. Live a healthy lifestyle and stay happy and stay healthy always.